Question 5. What is the value of 12,340 add 12.34 all divided by 1,234? This looks relatively straightforward. It is, but you need to know how to handle it to make it so. So let me write what I've got. I much prefer using a fraction line than I do a divide symbol, because from there I can see that I can put these as two separate fractions. This becomes 10. This becomes 1 over 100. If I put this as over 10 equivalent fractions, right, this one, 100 and 100, this is 100 plus 1, which is 1,000 plus 1. And the answer is D. As I said, knowing what to do, you split this fraction into two fractions because we've got the same denominator. You then divide these two fractions by the numerator by the denominator to get 10 and 1/100th. Make sure they're over the same denominator here by multiplying both sides by multiplying both sides by 100. Numerator denominators get 100, and then you add them together to make 1,001 over 100, which when we divide 1,001 by 100, we get 10.1.